Hi, welcome to our channel, dear viewers. In this video I'll show you how to set up a free VPN on your Realme C31. So first I'll tell you that free VPN is not safe to work with or view banned content because free VPN doesn't protect your private data. And at the very beginning, open your web browser and go to To.Set.Up.Io website. Click OK, scroll down, and here you will see how websites see your location. So in my case it's Poland, Kraków, and it's true. But now open Play Store, find here Turbo VPN. Click on the right button icon and click Install. Click Open, click Agree, click on the cross on the left top corner, and cool, now just click on the card on the center of the screen and click OK, wait a while, and cool, we are successfully connected to VPN server. Click on the cross on the left, right top corner, and cool, we are connected. So now we need to check how websites see our location now. So reload to To.Set.Up.Io website. And as you can see, we are in United States now. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.